thì cái dừng tiếp là mình tagi kebalakam di ka State Rural Road Development Agency Lower Kashmir Shillong ka code adaptation namta ka post in standard form namta ki post harum hapo ka jalan clear ani ka scheme hapo ka jalan clear te yaka appointment will be contract for the period of 1 year. Thì mà ta cái đây mà ta cầm contract mà cái mà ta cái system thì cái appointment là này cái post appointment để all test null of age and conduct and the academic qualification number 1, number 2 experience certificate, number 3 cái ST là này SC certificate if any là này 2 passport size a photographer di kilong kitaki dokumen ban apply la review te ki post dan artli te ta ka post ban ko de assistant engineer dan ta ka post dan ka weekly ka qualification ka de degree in civil engineering in art and equivalent experience but even don ya kata ka preference will be give to those having experience di dalam kita experience nak tak payment lani ka pay permon kedai arab sanaja si nai di posting di log ni rupli post ndai hapo kau rupli post nang ta sautli hapo boleh nakar post entura kawai in jantia kawai sautli mo tu hapo tura ta ka we po ka jantia dan ta ka pos par dan artli ki ka qualification ki de ban tindep ya ka diploma in civil engineering dan ta ka preference will be give to those of having experience dan ta ka salary kan dei kemba kasanaja sibnai dan ta post in Fratli post in William Naka Sautli Tura Sautli Artli is Jantia is Kasihil dan Artli hapo West Kasil but Artli hapo Ribhoi but Jantia the two post the post will be involved the extending traveling with the credit to travel should be applied with the standard form. The kan last date kan day ka atrik pada mi pada Jun raja rasan swa kasau baci application are required for mention with the contact number lani WhatsApp number lani email in the application form. Di pilaban bu ro ya phone number joki ani ka WhatsApp number joki ani ka email ka application form di ya ka application for incomplete in any respect shall the summarily with the be rejected with interview di akan di interview long instapan tip ya but kasih interview no come down kata ki lani di will be entertained to the applicant attend the interview kibanwan interview kene ka post deven klik hi ka by link by one the one step a perlok ya kene ka post de la ban apply kene post but la roban le kham kloy kene play bun ya pi